Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your avatar in Genshin Impact. Changing your avatar in Genshin Impact is quick and easy, so here's a clear step-by-step guide. First of all, launch open Genshin Impact on your device and log in. Once you're inside the game, tap on the Paimon icon at the top left corner of the screen. Right after you open up this menu, click on the pencil button right next to your username at the top right. Now click on Change Avatar. From the available avatars, select one. Some of the avatars are already unlocked, whereas some of the avatars needs unlocking, which will require you to complete certain levels. After completing those levels, all of your avatars should be unlocked and you can choose it anytime you want. After selecting the avatar, click on Use on the right corner, and that should be able to help you change your avatar on Genshin Impact. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.